Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to see or how to check Google Maps history so that you can see your previous locations, your directions, and your places within your Google Maps history. So first of all, you can go to your menu, and on your menu, you can go to your timeline. Now here on your timeline, if you have your location history turned on, you will be able to see your history. Here you will be able to select the year, the month and day, and then you'll be able to see, as you can see on Tuesday, October 4th, 2022, where have you been on the map, right? You will have pins on the map. Now, if you don't have this, what you can do is we can go here to, let's go back. We can go here, manage location history, and then make sure to turn this on. After you turn this on, you will be able to see your Google Maps history after you visited some places, right? Now make sure to turn this on, and then you can just go to your timeline here. Obviously go here and then to your timeline, and then you will be able to see your location history, your Google Maps history, every place that you visited, and every pretty much location that you've been to. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.